To continue this Navbar, right? Before we have to creating uh, what is this? Yes, that one, right? Let's create further menus. Okay, let's create one div. Okay, under this div, let's another create divs. Okay, this is a related divs and another div. In this div, let's create one button, and this button have a span tags. On this span tag, open user menu, and on this tab let's use one div which is user name. Okay, like in this tab we have to show username, like first letter we will show here. Okay, let's show this one, and one span tag. In this span tag we have to show the complete username. Let's show the my names, and down we have to show sorry, let's write in the one line. Okay, and another we have to make one icon for sharpen down. Okay, and empty one text gray 400. Okay, and then button close and div close, and another create for divs. Okay, in this div we have to create one anchor tag for I let's use not a user, let's use the take meter. Okay, tachometer. Okay, this is a tachometer, and tachometer alt mr2, and down we have to show dashboard. Okay, same like for my profile log, my winnings. Okay, my winnings, and then my wallet, and then sign out. Okay, let's see, sign out. Okay, now is this one. So let's add the first of all CSS. First div we have to add class. Okay, this is a hidden if else flex spawn this one, and this is a relative, and ml is 3. Okay, and let's this division over css, and this is a type is a button. Okay, this is a clickable, and then flex item center. Sorry, it's a UI write it, css no need. Flex item center text sm. Okay, round date full, focus is outline none, and then focus ring 2 focus ring offset to, and then focus ring blue 500. Okay, and this is a, let's give id for user menu button. Okay, and then let's area area expanded false, has pop-up for true. Okay, and then let's give this one is a class sr only. Okay, and let's give class so w8 height 8 height 8 also, busy blue 600, and then round it full. Okay, flex item are flex item center, justify center, text white, font let's semi bold, text sm no need. Okay, that is our user. Later we will give the username. Now there is no authentication, so not checking here. Okay, we will check user menu. Let's this is a commented for, it's a user menu. We will check authentication here. Okay, now let's leave this one, and then this is our first name, and then go to the full name. Okay, this is spam. Let's use the class name. This class has been ml2. Okay, text gray 700, and font we give to medium, and hidden then md block. Okay, and this is a username from the getting from the authentication. Okay, now not getting this one, and this is German text area, and then another menu is here. Okay, this is sorry, class name. Let's see hidden. This is essence origin top right, and then absolute, and then right 0 empty 2, and then w48 arrow round it, md shadow lg py1 bg white. Okay, ring 1, then ring black, and ring opacity is 5, focus outline none. Okay, then z index is 50, its role is menu, area orientation is vertical, area label is user menu button. Okay, and let's another tab, index -1, id is user menu, and then let's go to the url dashboard, and this is class href, this one, and class is block, and px4 py2, okay, y-axis text small, text gray 700 we need, and then hover bg gray, okay, bg gray 100, and then is role is menu item, tab index is 1, and that is the all things, okay. User cir cl circles, okay. Copy these classes and attributes, all attributes, and paste href, and then here, 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 no need, okay. That is our menus. Name property is getting where, oh, where is getting your name property, no, now not using authentication, okay. Let's you, yes, that is coming is to you run, right. So that is our menu, and then okay, let's this menu items for this, can we use here in the footer, okay, scripts, okay, yes, this is menu, let's get documented, and user menu get from the user id, and then user menu getting, okay. After user menu, and let's check if user menu and menu button, then user menu dot add event listener click, then we have to class is toggle hidden, okay. And another we have to here click anywhere, document dot add event listener in anywhere if user menu button is contains event target and not user menu contains event target, okay. Button is not targeted or event target class id is not targeted, then user list menu edit is hidden. That means if you click anywhere, if you click opens, right, if you click anywhere it will be the gone, right. So that is the this one, okay, yes. So that is our menu. JavaScript we have to edit here, and if not authenticated, right, let's go. If there is not authenticated, we are checking authentication is here, right. So after that, if not authenticated, we need to one anchor tag for this is login, another is let's we will copy first of all href, and we need to add route, okay. Laravel provide login route, so we can use this one route, and class name is, and later translation needed for if we need, we have to like this, okay. Login, any language changes we have to this all we need to language, we have to add like this. Okay, yes, it's easy for later language changes, no need to now. Okay, let's add the classes. First of all, this one, text white. Okay, text white 90, and then hover on this login, text white, and x-axis padding 4 and y-axis padding 2, rounded XL, text SM, font medium, transition all. Okay, we have to, then duration is 300 second. Okay, duration is 300 second, and over on it bg white 10. Okay, that is the login button. Same on the another anchor tag, we need to class. Okay, href, this is route register, this is our another route, and register, no, get started. Okay, get started, that is another button. So this button also bg white 90, and then no, not 90, 10. Let's skip this one, and backdrop we have to blur md. Okay, and then text white over bg white 20, pixel 6, y2, rounded XL, text SM, font medium, and then over, no, transition all, duration 300, right, border white 20. Okay, let's see. Oh, very nice. Let's implement the little bit Laravel. Okay, if auth this one, else and auth. Okay, we are checking if auth, then this one show, otherwise only show the this one. Okay, nice, right, and that is okay, but in the mobile, let's see, where is this? It's a hidden, there is no in mobile, right? Okay, let's go to the mobile menu. Okay, after that one button it here. First of all, we have to add here one button, sorry, this is hidden, this is the hidden. Okay, let's see button here let's see the class name. Okay, LG hidden, and P2 rounded XL, and text white 90. Okay, and then over on this text white, and over BG white 10, and transition colors duration 300, no, let's get 200, and on click toggle mobile menu, right? And then let's one icon, class name FSFE bars text Excel. Yes, so that is the buttons, right? Let's create then mobile menu. Okay, let's go to the mobile menu, div, let's id mobile menu. Okay, this is mobile menu. Class is large screen is hidden, mobile menu class, maximum height, right? Maximum height 0, overflow is hidden. Okay, this is go to the CSS class. Here is I have already added. Okay, you have to copy, pause this. Mobile menu transition is, this is cubic, and here is a screenshot overflow of the mobile menu open class is this one. Okay, and this one copy this CSS. Okay, this is a basic CSS I have to edit here. So let's go to the Navbar. Okay, same on the mobile menu, we have to make everything, right? So let's first of all create one div. Under this div we have to create another div. Okay, in this div we have one s3 classes for menu and button. In this toggle menu button we have to add one icon. Icon is face fe times, which is close button, text LG. Okay, and after that button we have to add one anchor tag, which is go to the home page. Let's we will give the route. Okay, or the home, right? So this is route, and let's give to the classes text white 90, over text white px4 py3 rounded XL, text sm font medium, transition all, duration 300, over bg white 10 flex items center, right? Item centers, and this is on deck. And in this tab, let's add the div class. This class have a width is 8, height 8, bg white 10, rounded large, flex items center, justify center, okay, justify center, margin right 3, border white 20. In this div tag, one icon, class is fa home, and text white. After that div we have to add home, right? So that is our home menu for mobile. Let's see. Okay, there is no click, we have to edit. Let's add the some classes for these divs class. Okay, this is a px4 pt top 2 bottom 4 space y-axis is 2, background white 5, and then backdrop blur md sorry, space is missing, md border top border white 10, and then go to this div, class is flex, okay, items center, justify between sorry, mb2, and then let's give to this menu class. This is a text, always white, font medium, and let's this button also class. This button is on class is p2 rounded lg, text white 80, hover text white, hover bg white 10, and then transition colors, and this is a times, right? Okay, let's go to the footer, add the some javascript. Okay, after unload it, we can use jQuery, but let's use this one. Okay, function toggle mobile menu. Okay, let's constant mobile menu document dot get element by id, which is mobile menu. Another constant is open function mobile menu dot class list dot contains which one? Open. Okay, if is open, then go to the mobile menu class list dot remove open or mobile menu dot class list dot add, we have to add here maximum height 0. Okay, same else case we have to copy there, then add this class, remove this class, right? First of all class remove, then add. Okay, first of all remove open, add this one, same. Okay, okay. Wow, where is this close? We need to close icon, so let's close in the menu, right? Where is our close? This is close button times. Also here it on click mobile menu. What was this? Mobile toggle mobile menu. Let's call this, no issue. Chalu. Yes, right? So that is perfect. So we can add others menus like okay, dashboard, and then go to the my winnings, right? Then my wallets, and then oh, I can also let's change fe for wallets tiku meter alt, right? My winnings we have to trophy, then wallet we have to eat wallet, so my profile for user CIR circle, then sign out. Okay, that is a good. Yes. Oh, dashboard is not showing correctly. Let's see, dashboard is not showing tachometer alt, right? This is a tachometer, no, not tachometer. Okay, tachometer, say yes, everything is fine. Also here is fine, and let's make a dashboard sections for menu sections, right? Where is our footer section? Let's clear first of all footer section, and then we'll go to the our menu sections. Okay, let's create footer, This is a JavaScript and footer. Let's footer tag. In this footer tag, let's add class names. bg gray 900, text white empty 20, and then one div. Okay, under this div another div, let's say under this div items div, and then div, and another div. Okay, this div have to show from here, first column first. Okay, let's class name. First of all, this is maximum width is 7xl and mx auto py16 px4 smpy6 px6 lg px8, and this is a grid layout. So grid equals 1, md grid equals 4, gap 8. Okay, and this is the first column. Let's add items. So this div no need, but this div have class flex items center mb6. Okay, this first items, let's add bg class bg gradient to rar from blue 600, and then 2 purple 600, p3 rounded xl mr3. Okay, and I class if is fast, if a dice right, text to excel, text to excel, if favicon icons. Okay, and text white. This is the logo. Under this div s3 lucky draw system. Let's say it class. This is a text is large, excel font is bold, another is one p tag. Let's see, so the win Amazon price. Okay, price is, let's say class for this one. Also text ism, text gray 400, and after this div let's add, no, not this div, let's after this items centers div one paragraph tag. Here is the some description lorem 10. Okay, not lorem not 10, 20. Okay, we will later class where we have to say text gray 300, text sm, oh not out of the class, text sm and leading relaxed. Let's see the footer. Oh, but rounded class is not implemented here. Rounded exl, right? So rounded exl. This is first div. So another div we need here. After this div, another div we need here is for, let's see, quick links, right? Let's say classes text lg font semibold mb6 text white. Okay, and this after text, let's see ul tag and classes space y3 and list tag, then anchor tag slash, okay, class text gray 300 over text white, not like this, over is this, okay, over text white, transition colors duration 200, text sm and so home. So same like cash draws product draws winners FAQs. Okay, that is the quick links. And another div we need to support another div. Let's copy this one, right? Support and same copy this one, right? Let's see what happened. Here supports contact us and terms and conditions, privacy policy, help center, same like another section, connects, and then where is we have to show something, something we will show here sections. Okay, oh, what happened? grid equals 1 empty, not semicolon, and grid equals 4, right? That is a mistake. Yes, great. Okay, next menu sections and another section. Okay, next tutorial coming.